In today's video, let's delve into the world of styling tips. Hello beautiful viewers, I know it has been a minute since we last caught up here in Classy and Savvy. Work has been quite hectic for me since the new year started, thus I'm incredibly thankful for your patience and support. Many of us here who resonate with a minimalist aesthetic have undoubtedly curated a collection of timeless wardrobe essentials. Think of the crisp white tee, the classic button-down shirt, those trusty jeans, and of course the ever-versatile blazer. But here's the million-dollar question. How do we breathe new life into these closet staples and turn them into outfit looks that are more elevated and more interesting? In this video, I'll be sharing simple yet impactful tips to elevate your outfits by using what's already hanging in your closet. It's about embracing the essence of you, but with an added touch of refined elegance. One styling tip that can elevate your looks is repurposing clothes as accessories. It's not just about what you wear, but also about how you wear it. Transforming clothing items into accessories can add a unique and personalized touch to your outfit's look. One of my favorite tips is to use a sweater or shirt as a scarf to add warmth and style into my outfit. Simply take a lightweight sweater or a button-up shirt, lay it flat, and fold it in half lengthwise to create a long strip. Then tie a loose knot at the front, allowing the ends elegantly cascade down. The key here is to choose a sweater with a medium knit and standard size. If the sweater is too thick, the knot might appear bulky and struggle to stay on your shoulders. On the other hand, if the sweater is too thin, the look may appear skimpy and lack the desired overall impact. For a relaxed and effortless vibe, consider draping a larger sweater or shirt over your shoulders. Take, for instance, this wool sweater with a classic houndstooth pattern in black and white. Gently drape it over your shoulders, letting the sleeves hang evenly in front. I'm going to let you in honest secret. The sweater I'm using no longer fits me due to mishap in the laundry. I left it in the dryer instead of air drying it, so it shrunk significantly. However, rather than bidding it farewell, I found a way to breathe new life into it and incorporate it in my style repertoire. It's all about making the most of what you have and finding joy in the process. Remember, the key is to experiment with your existing pieces, let your creativity run wild, and discover new ways to invigorate your wardrobe. By repurposing clothes as accessories, not only do you showcase your unique style, but also contribute to a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to fashion. The third piece rule is a timeless approach to styling that's both simple and impactful. At its core, this concept revolves around the art of assembling a well-balanced and polished outfit by incorporating three key pieces. Firstly, we have your top and bottom, serving as the foundational duo of your ensemble, your building blocks, if you will. This foundation combo can be your clothing essentials like a blouse and trousers, a shirt and a skirt, or a dress. In my case, I've opted for the quintessential pairing of a classic white t-shirt and sleek black trousers as my base. Now here's where the magic truly happens, the addition of the third piece, the statement piece. This is the element that elevates your ensemble, injecting personality and turning a simple outfit into a fashion statement. The third piece can take various forms, whether it's a layer knit, an oversized blazer, a structured jacket, or a statement accessory like a belt, a scarf, or a striking piece of jewelry. For this look, I've chosen to elevate the look with an oversized taupe blazer, instantly transforming it from casual to office chic. Alternatively, if your base is a classic striped shirt and black skirt, consider throwing on a statement belt and a complementary tan heel to add that visual interest and complete the overall look. The beauty of the third piece rule lies in its versatility. It allows you to experiment with different combinations, ensuring that your outfit is not only cohesive but also visually interesting. Keep in mind that if you add in an accessory as your third item, remember that it should make a statement to truly count. So while a simple pair of shoes or subtle jewelry may not quite fit the bill, often for standout pieces yet classy to add that extra layer of flair and sophistication. So the next time you're creating an outfit and want to make it from good to great, remember the power of the third piece. Now let's talk about the golden rule of styling, keeping it to 3 colors or fewer. This timeless principle brings a sense of cohesion, simplicity, and elegance to your look. To begin, lay the groundwork with neutral colors such as black, white, beige, or gray. These neutrals provide a versatile canvas for your outfit, offering a clean and sophisticated base to build upon. Next, introduce 1 or 2 accent colors to add visual interest and personality to your outfit. These could be shades that complement each other or create a striking contrast with the neutral base. Accessories, a statement piece, or even a well-chosen pair of shoes are excellent areas to incorporate accent colors. One classic color trio that never fails to impress is cream, beige, and brown. This combination creates a harmonious and sophisticated palette, with cream providing a soft and understated base for the richer tones to stand out. The beige color bridges the gap, lending warmth and versatility to the palette, while brown adds depth and richness, grounding the ensemble with its darker hue. Introduce accessories in metallic tones such as gold or bronze to complement the warmth of the color scheme. This color combination is versatile across seasons. Lighter shades can evoke a fresh, airy feel in spring and summer, while deeper tones bring warmth and coziness in fall and winter. Another personal favorite of mine is the gray, black, cherry palette. Gray sets the stage as a neutral foundation, with lighter shades imparting a modern, airy feel and darker tones adding depth and complexity. Black brings a touch of timeless elegance to the mix. It brings a sense of formality to the combination, making it suitable for a range of occasions. Cherry red then injects vibrancy and energy into the color scheme, creating a captivating focal point. Accessories in cherry red, such as scarves, handbags, or shoes, add subtle pops of color without overwhelming the overall aesthetic. By adhering to the limited color palette, you ensure a harmonious and coordinated appearance. It prevents your outfit from becoming overwhelming or distracting, allowing each element of your outfit to seamlessly complement the next. This cohesion contributes to an overall polished and put together look. To further enhance the depth and dimension of your outfit within the confines of the limited color scheme, consider incorporating different textures or subtle patterns. This allows you to maintain the simplicity of the color palette while introducing visual interest through varied fabrics and design elements. And let's not forget the power of a monochromatic color scheme, where varying shades of the same color are used. This sophisticated approach creates a sleek and polished aesthetic, emphasizing the beauty of simplicity. So, by embracing the rule of 3 colors or fewer, you not only create a visually appealing and cohesive outfit, but also showcase a refined sense of style. Let's delve into the next tip, embracing contrast in your attire, whether it's in structure, silhouette, style, or color. This refined yet accessible approach to styling adds depth, intrigue, and dynamism to your outfit. Playing with the structural elements in your outfit involves mixing different garment shapes and forms. Consider pairing a structured jacket with a more relaxed, unstructured top and bottom. Here, the fluidity of the silk blouse and skirt is beautifully offset by the structured jacket. To maintain a polished silhouette that seamlessly blends sophistication with a touch of fluidity, ensure the silk pieces have a tailored fit. Alternatively, experiment with contrasting a fitted top with wide bottoms or vice versa. Opt for a sleek and tailored look with a fitted top paired with a high-waisted wide-legged pants. Tucking in the top accentuates the waistline and prevents the outfit from looking overly voluminous. Then, add a stylish belt to further cinch the waist and create a focal point. This interplay of shapes creates a visually engaging ensemble, highlighting the uniqueness of each piece. Mixing different styles within an outfit adds an eclectic and stylish flair. Try pairing casual pieces with more formal ones, such as a structured blazer with jeans or sneakers with a tailored dress. My go-to outfit formula for a smart casual look is the classic white t-shirt, blue straight jeans, and topped with a relaxed black blazer. The fit of each piece should be carefully considered to maintain a cohesive silhouette. Opt for a high-quality cotton tee with a fit that is not too loose or too tight. Choose a well-fitted pair of classic blue straight-leg jeans that flatters your body shape without being overly restrictive. For the blazer, opt for a slightly looser silhouette to enhance the overall laid-back vibe of the outfit. The black color introduces a smart element, elevating the ensemble and providing a stylish contrast to the casual t-shirts and jeans. I also like to mix feminine with masculine pieces to yield captivating results. For example, I'm pairing this feminine satin top with a drapey neckline with tailored straight leg trousers to create contrast. For shoes, I opted for a pair of leather loafers to introduce a masculine touch. This look strikes a balance between femininity and masculinity. The mix of a feminine silky top, straight leg trousers, and loafers showcases a harmonious fusion of contrasting styles, creating an ensemble that is both refined and fashion forward. Introducing contrast in textures and fabrics elevates your ensemble with tactile interest. Combine smooth and textured fabrics or mixed materials like leather, silk, and wool. This not only enhances the overall aesthetic but also provides a rich sensory experience. This tip works especially well when styling in monochromatic color. For example, a knit top paired with a smooth leather skirt and textured fabric slingback shoes, all in black. The variation in texture and fabric provides a look with subtle contrast and interest while still looking coherent and sophisticated. While incorporating contrast, it's essential to maintain a sense of balance. Ensure that the contrasting elements complement each other rather than creating a disjointed look. The goal is to achieve a harmonious blend that captures attention without overwhelming the overall outfit. Using a belt is a versatile and effective styling trick that can instantly elevate your look. One of the most classic applications for belts is to define and accentuate your waistline. Whether you're wearing a dress, a blouse, or a loose-fitting top, adding a belt at the waist creates a flattering silhouette. Not only it highlights your curves, but also gives structure to the outfit, making it more polished and put together. When working with oversized or loose-fitting garments, a belt can work wonders. Simply layer a wide belt over a flowy dress or a slouchy sweater to add shape and prevent the outfit from appearing over bulky. This simple addition transforms a casual outfit into a chic and intentional ensemble. A belt is not just a functional accessory, but also a stylish one. Choose a statement belt with unique detail, a bold buckle, or interesting textures or design to add visual interest to your outfit. This can be particularly effective when working with monochromatic or understated ensembles, where the belt becomes a focal point. When selecting a belt, consider its color in relation to the rest of your outfit. Opt for a belt that complements the color palette for a cohesive look, or choose a contrasting hue to make a bold statement. This intentional choice can significantly impact the overall aesthetic of your ensemble, enhancing its visual appeal and elevating your style quotient. Incorporating a belt into your outfit is a simple yet impactful way to elevate your look. Beyond its functional purpose, it serves as a stylish accessory that speaks volumes about your personal sense of style and attention to detail. Let's talk about the magic of layering with a turtleneck. Not only does it keep you cozy during the colder months, but it also introduces depth and versatility to your wardrobe. The high neckline creates a polished and refined appearance, making it a versatile piece for both casual and more formal occasions. Start with a classic turtleneck in timeless hues like black, white, or beige to serve as your base layer. Make sure the turtle is well fitted to provide a sleek foundation for the rest of your layers. For those warmer days, consider substituting for a mock neck with sleeveless top to achieve the same stylish effect without feeling overheated when layering. From there, the layering possibilities are endless. You can wear them under a blazer, cardigan, or even a sleeveless dress, providing additional warmth and style to your ensemble. This layering versatility allows you to adapt your outfit to different temperatures and occasions while maintaining a chic and composed look. Experiment with different textures, think chunky knit sweater or luxuriously soft cashmere cardigans to infuse visual interest to your outfit. Incorporating an oversized yet structured jacket or blazer is another savvy move. This is an excellent way to transition your turtleneck from casual to business or smart casual attire. The contrast of the snug turtleneck and the relaxed outer layer creates a refined aesthetic. And let's not forget about the turtleneck's distinct neckline, which serves as the focal point for your outfit. It draws attention to the face and neck area, creating a perfect background to showcase your beautiful jewelry pieces. Remember, the key to successful layering with a turtleneck is to balance proportions, mix textures, and have fun experimenting with different combinations. After all, fashion is all about expressing yourself with ease and creativity. Exploring the endless possibilities of styling a shirt opens a world of creativity and expression. Use your shirt as a versatile canvas for layering. Throw on a cardigan, a patterned blazer, or a sleeveless vest. Layering introduces texture, color, and depth, turning a simple plain shirt into a dynamic part of a more intricate outfit. Play around with the sleeves of your shirt to add a touch of personality. Loosely roll them up for a laid-back vibe. Alter the way you wear your shirt by experimenting with various tuck-in techniques. Drive a half tuck for an effortless vibe, a full tuck for a polished look, or leave it untucked for a relaxed and casual feel. These simple adjustments can significantly impact the overall aesthetic. Personally, I like to create chic monochrome ensembles by pairing my white shirt with complementary shades of cream, beige, or varying tones of white. This approach uses a cohesive and sophisticated look that blends style with simplicity, making it both fashionable and effortlessly achievable. In essence, embracing the versatility of a shirt in your wardrobe invites endless opportunities for sartorial experimentation, allowing you to create ensembles that reflect your unique sense of style with ease and panache. Thank you so much for joining me today on Classy and Savvy. I hope you found inspiration and valuable tips to elevate your style. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to stay updated on all things fashion and saving tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or any styling tricks you love in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish and stay with grace. I'll see you in the next video.